Hello, everyone. How are you? Welcome to Seahorse Souls. This is our daily message. Today happens to be a Thursday. It is November 17th, 2022. This is my third take on this video. And I deleted the first part anyway, it's fine. But this is take 3. Everything happens for a reason, y'all. How are we doing? These energies are wild. They are intense. They are heavy for so many of you. Make sure that you are resting, that you are taking care of you. Breathe. Slow down. You are safe. You are protected. You are loved more than you can fathom. Just breathe for a moment. So I had 2 cards that came out for today. We have the Divine Masculine energy and we have the Divine Feminine energy for today. And it says, all the changes in life that lie before me are positive ones. I am safe. Tell yourself this as many times as you need to throughout your day, your night, your morning, your afternoon. The Divine Masculine's energy is very fiery, passionate, is moving forward. We have the Knight of Wands here. This is about that desire, this creative energy. It's building up. This is about being free, being fast moving forward, right? This is your knowing exactly what you want, right? Angel number 231. You know what you want, Divine Masculine. So move forward, go after it, go get it. It is yours. Believe you already have it. It's yours. 231. I think that's what I said. It may feel as though you have taken a step backward, but these diversions in being blah, 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 blah. It may feel as though you have been, I can't talk. I can't talk. It may feel as though you have taken a step backward, but this diversion is being orchestrated by a team of angels who are working together for your highest good. Trust in the process. Wow, that's beautiful. Trust in the process. I know so many of y'all are actually feeling that way. Know that this energy is quickly changing, fast moving. And the Divine Feminine, we have the Judgment. This is about you knowing, this clarity, this wisdom coming in, you understanding and seeing the things that are cycling, this pattern. They're going round and round. What is it that you need to accept, that you need to give love, forgive, to release? You are safe. You are protected, Divine Feminine. You know more than you are allowing yourself to see, to feel. Step forward. Angel number 432, almost to the page. It says you are being encouraged to call in support and guidance with regard to your relationships and connections with others. Yes, Divine Feminine, call in those angels, your spirit team. Look, those angel wings, those white wings. You are safe. You are protected. Call in all of the help that you need. All the changes in life that lie before me are positive ones. I am safe. Stop choosing the things you don't like. Stop going after the things you don't like. Why are you doing that? Stop sitting in the energy you don't like. Get up and do something different. Angel number 522. You are in a powerful space that is connected with the energy of forgiveness. Wow. Know that forgiveness is the remembering that you can never really be hurt, for nothing can tarnish your soul. Angel number 555, it says, all of your efforts are now paying off. Know that the universe and your angels are supporting you in creating and living an abundant life. Angel number 615, it says, abundance is a natural expression of universal energy based upon your capacity to see your worth. Angel wisdom is encouraging you to dive deep within and realize you are deserving of abundance. You are deserving. Angel number 644. Okay, sorry. They were like, no, you have another number. Your angels are expanding your heart chakra so that you can experience a deeper love and connection with them and with the guides and ancestors who are there for you. Hello. Everything is calling for you to go inward, to talk with your angels and ancestors. 710, the power of God is within you. Spiritual experiences are unfolding for you and supporting your expansion in the world. Love you. Love you. Love you as you are. Let's see what spirit animal we need today. Butterfly, rebirth. You can rejuvenate reinvent yourself. Be open to the rewards of change. You have brilliance to share with the world. Love every part of your journey. Love every part of your journey. And the unicorn again. Infinite possibilities. You are the sovereign of the seen and unseen worlds. The magic of love surrounds you. Beauty transforms you. Listen to the spirit of light. Abandon the darkness. Go beyond the ordinary and become legendary. You are the only you on this planet. You are here for a purpose. They're just sitting there. The water guardian. Connect with your emotions. What are those emotions trying to tell you? Trying to show you? Don't let that ego beat you up. And we have the star ancestor. Follow the voice of your soul. Those are your angels, your ancestors guiding you. And stargazer, set your sights higher. Set your heights higher. We have to read 818 and 909. It says, angel guidance is encouraging you to be clear in your heart about how you want your current situation to unfold before you take any further action. 909, angel number. Your crown chakra is opening so that you can feel and channel the love of God. Now I know exactly why they wanted this message redone. They want it super short and sweet. Let's see what what dragon. Focus on you. Our first dragon is the sunshine yellow dragon. Helps you to help animals. Serve animals. Heal, respect, and understand them. The air and fire dragon expands your creative energies. Harness your creativity, excitement, and enthusiasm. Communicate your passion. The earth and fire dragon works with you to clear the fifth dimensional ley lines. It's time for service. When you give, you receive. And Thor's red, black, and gold dragon protects you in times of change. A time of rapid transition and transformation. Relax. You are safe. Lean in on all these dragons. Lean in on one or two. Maybe none resonate. They all have a purpose, just like you. Whatever it is that you are doing today, in this moment, tonight, this morning, whatever time it is, the time is irrelevant. In this moment, whatever you are doing is exactly what you are meant to be doing. Now, if you don't like what you are doing, you're being given the opportunity to make changes. Think things through. Laugh at your demons. Count your blessings. Bust out of the cocoon. Wake up call. Rejuvenate. You are being given this opportunity to take your life by the reins and move full speed ahead with your heart's desire, with peace, with love, with more faith that the divine, the universe has your back, knowing that everything is unfolding for your highest good. I hope that this message resonates. I hope that you are doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of you. Ground, hydrate, rest, refocus as many times as you need to. Put your shields up, Protect your energies. Not everything that crosses your path needs your attention. I am sending you love from my heart to your heart, and I will see you in the next video.